Instagram Reels for photographers. Before we get on to this thing about my stats and everything, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button because it's very hard to grow on YouTube nowadays, and I would really appreciate it. Now let's get into the meaty gritty things of this whole thing. So recently I started partaking in the 14 Reels challenge where Brockhampton started doing, is that his name? I'll put his Instagram right here, but we started doing this Instagram Reels thing where we posted for a day, and I have a photography Instagram, and I just want to see what the growth would be if I posted on Instagram. Here are the stats of how many people I reached in these 14 days, and that's a lot for someone with 400 followers, and if you would like to be one of those followers, hit me up, follow me, that would be awesome. Instagram Reels for photographers, is it worth it? Should you do it? And my honest answer is yes, you should start adapting to this new medium because we are now in these times where it's easier to consume like 6-second videos or 15-second videos. We're now in that. We're past the post, the feeds, the carousels, all that stuff. Even long-term videos like 20-minute YouTube videos and stuff like that. Yeah, we're kind of past that already. So this is why I'm keeping this video short. And my answer is yes, you should do Instagram Reels for photographers. And here are some tips I have. Firstly, have fun with it. Don't force yourself. As long as you're getting a reel done a day, 2, and you are experiencing some growth, then that is good. It doesn't have to be a perfect reel. You don't have to go pull out your Canon R3 and start recording, the next Tommy Wiseau masterpiece for the Reels Instagram. Just make sure it's good, Sometimes I would pull out my Sony a7C and actually record something worthwhile, like a little snack for my followers, to show them that here is the good stuff for you guys sticking around. My next tip would be consistency. Stay consistent and you will see these results. Now, I have a third tip, but that's my little secret. So be sure you guys subscribe, and I will release my whole real secret that got me all of this growth. Because if you notice, sometimes you'll post a reel and you'll only reach like 500 people despite having like 1,000 followers or something. So stay tuned for that secret. Now, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys, took some sort of inspiration and motivation. This is just the little prequel video to how I did everything and my whole process. So leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my actual whole package video on my whole Reels journey. And pretty soon I'll also release a video on my feelings about using TikTok for photography or stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. And as always, stay fresh or something. I don't know. See ya.